I forgot to switch screens. Hold on. There we go. All right, sorry about that. At my desk, my mouse was in the wrong place. I was looking for my pencil. I wasn't prepared. Not a good way. All right, Mr. Short, we're back. Second grade, module 2, lesson 25, homework. Okay, we are on page 127. So you have 127 and page 128. Let's look at these. Let's figure them out. Again, first name, last name, class number. Make your teacher's life easier. Draw on a place value chart to subtract. All right, so let's draw the place value chart. Hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, now we have to space this out. So we have, again, I like to do this because then they kind of look similar. So I need 3 in the ones. 1, 2, 3. I need 6 in the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I need 1 in the hundreds. Your handwriting doesn't have to be the neatest. Trust me, I tell you all the time, mine's not. Just make sure that you can keep it organized. I don't want to say neat because we've all talked about it. My handwriting is not the neatest. But let's keep it organized a little bit more, all right? A little more organized so we can see it a little better. Okay? All right. So now we need to take away 74. We break this. We need to take away 4 ones and 7 tens. If we look, we only have 3 ones. So what do? Who remembers what your teacher told me? Who remembers what I told you on the last video? Who remembers what we do? We blow up a 10, right? We blow up 1 10 is worth 10 ones. Because we have to have enough. Sorry, I have the problem over here so everyone sees. We have to have enough because to take 4 away. So there's bigger on the bottom than it is on the top. Okay, so here's what we did. We took this away. We made this a 5. Mr. Short, this is smaller. Just wait. We're going to get there. We made this 13. Okay, so we have 13 minus 4. So let's take away our 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 left there. 13 minus 4 is 9. All right. Now we need to take away 7, but we only have 5. So guess what we're going to do? We're going to do the same thing we did here. We're going to go over here and blow up 100. Remember, 100 is the same as 10 tens because 10 times 10 is 100. If you count by 10 times, you also get 100, right? So over here, same thing. 7 is bigger than 5, so 7 cannot hide inside of 5. So cross that out, bring it over. We got a 0 here now. So now it's 15 minus 7. If we look over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10, 15. Okay, let's get rid of our 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do you have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 15 minus 7, if you start from 7, count up to 15. If you start at 15, you count down to 7. You also get 8. I really want to make that a snowman right now because it's winter, but it's an 8. All right? Put the right one up here. Don't put the snowman up there. That'll probably get me in trouble somehow. I don't need help getting in trouble. All right, so you should get 89 for your answer. So this one says, show an efficient strategy to subtract. It doesn't say to use a place value chart. Now, here's what I'm going to tell you. The place value chart for a long time will be the easiest way for you to do it. It really, really will. I'll help you set it up. I will not solve this one at all for you. Hundreds, tens, ones. I got stuck there. I almost wrote out ones. Okay. 100, 4 tens, and 0 ones. And you got to take away 3 ones and 6 tens. You can see already you're going to have to do some borrowing, which is borrowing from the other side, which is blowing up a bigger one to make a smaller one. All right, that's how we should have it set up. Again, my writing is not the neatest, but look at this. Everything has a nice, neat line I can work inside of to make sure I don't accidentally let my numbers float. If you write it down like this, you're trying to subtract 630 from 140. That's not even possible. Okay, look at, if I show my lines, look at this and this are not the same. It needs to look like this. Don't be lazy. Again, I don't have the best handwriting, but my stuff lines up nice and neat. All right, let's look at the back, page 128. It says, how many more tens to make a new 100? So remember, I told you on the other side, how many tens, or how many tens you get when you blow up 100. So how many more do I need to make 100? Remember, these are nice, neat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nice, neat rows. So if I need 10 of these to go over here, that would make, all these would be gone. Remember, I have a friend that says you like to lasso them and pull them on over. So how many more do I need to put in here to go over here? How many tens equal 100? I just told you a few minutes ago. 10 times what equals 100? Or if you count by tens, how many times you have to count by tens? If you go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, how many times you have to do that to get to 100, then figure out how many more you need over here to go over there. All right. I hope this helps you out. I hope these videos are helping you out. Let me know. Tell your friends to sign up. Give me some more subscribers. I want to see if I get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the school year. That's my new goal. So see if you can help me get that goal. All right. Okay. Eureka Math Squared, 2nd grade, Module 2, Lesson 25. I hope you have a good night.